Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its powerful specifications and thoughtful design. Equipped with a robust 1500W peak motor, it delivers an exhilarating ride, capable of reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This performance makes it suitable for both urban commuting and adventurous weekend rides. The motor provides an impressive torque, allowing riders to tackle steep hills effortlessly and navigate challenging terrains without breaking a sweat. The 48V 12.8AH lithium-ion battery is another highlight of the Aipas F3. It offers a commendable range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of pedal assistance used. This range is practical for daily commutes and longer excursions, ensuring that riders won't be left stranded. Furthermore, the battery is removable, making it convenient to charge at home or work, and the charging process is relatively quick, usually taking around 4 to 6 hours. In terms of build quality, the Aipas F3 features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that not only enhances durability but also keeps the bike lightweight. The adjustable seat and ergonomic design provide comfort during extended rides. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks well, ensuring a smooth riding experience even on bumpy roads. One notable aspect is the bike's versatility. It comes equipped with various riding modes, including electric, pedal assist, and traditional biking, allowing users to choose their preferred method of riding based on their needs. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes ensures reliable stopping power in diverse weather conditions. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike is an impressive option for adults seeking a reliable, powerful, and versatile electric bike. Its combination of performance, range, and comfort makes it an excellent investment for both recreational riders and daily commuters. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring scenic trails, the Aipas F3 delivers an engaging and enjoyable riding experience.